And there isn't, because I've been cutting these boards all day. So these are all cut into position now. There's a few more to go in there, but these aren't going to be like so close together. There's going to be a little gap in between, so by the time I've spread them out, it's probably enough to go in down there, so I don't really want to cut any more. And the same in this half as well. So these are all cut now. Again, they'll be spread out. I probably go through in there, so I'm reluctant to cut any more. But that gives me now a nice platform here to put up these two walls. I can just move them this way a little bit to do that, and also a platform here to put up this dividing wall here. So I've got plenty of space. That's what that's about. It's basically safety, so I don't fall through the foundation, because that really hurts. I've already got a black leg from doing that, so that was only 1 foot down it. So that's what I've been up to today. Tomorrow we're going to see a friend, an old lady, promised to do a bit of electrical work for her, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm not sure if I'll get anything done tomorrow at all, but even so, all week is planned to be sunny, so hopefully get it done. What I'm going to do this evening, I'm doing a live stream today at 6 o'clock, but obviously you'll have either seen it or you won't see it. And before that, I'm going to clear a little bit of forestry out, just for a bit of a break, something different. So, see you later. Morning, YouTubers. So day whatever it is, I think it's day 29, but I'm not sure. There'll be a title down there telling exactly what day we're on. But anyway, I'd forgotten to set the camera up altogether, so I'll turn you around and show you what I've just been doing. So although I forgot to set up the camera, I haven't actually done much. What I've done is cut these pieces for this little bit of mini wall. So when you cut these, the important thing, make sure the ends are sprayed. Even if this has already been sprayed, but where we've cut, obviously it hasn't been sprayed because I've just cut it. So make sure whatever you do, that your ends are sprayed. If you're having a house built and the workers are doing it, make sure they're spraying the ends of it cuts. It only takes a second, and it's a place where bacteria can get into your timber. So if you've just sprayed the ends, hey, guess what? That's not going to happen. The inside of these, so I'll put you down now and put this wall together. This isn't a long process, this wall. It's a doorway between the kitchen and the guest room, so not a big job. There's no diagonal bracing in it, it's just simply putting those 7 pieces in and putting it into position. So I'll put you down.